Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best moisture meter for wood, selected for their flooring and firewood preparation, helping prevent warping, mold, and costly material failure through proper moisture control. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. TELEHILL WM710A Moisture Meter. The TELEHILL WM710A Moisture Meter is a practical choice for users who want non-destructive moisture testing across a wide range of materials, including wood, walls, ceilings, and concrete. Its spherical probe design allows surface scanning without leaving pinholes, making it especially suitable for finished wood, furniture, and interior inspections. With a measuring depth of 20 to 40 millimeters and a broad 0 to 100 moisture range, it delivers dependable readings for both dry and wet conditions. The large HD color display is clear and easy to interpret, even for first-time users, while the self-calibration function helps maintain accuracy over time. One standout feature is the adjustable moisture alarm, which alerts users when readings exceed material-specific thresholds, reducing guesswork and preventing costly mistakes. The meter also records maximum and minimum values, making it easier to track moisture trends during extended inspections. Additional conveniences such as data hold, low power indicator, and a 30-minute auto shutoff enhance usability and battery efficiency.
Number 2. JUANJUAN Concrete Moisture Meter. The JUANJUAN Concrete Moisture Meter is designed for precise digital moisture measurement using high-frequency technology, making it a reliable option for professional and industrial environments. Although commonly associated with paper and material testing, its wide measuring range and multi-gear adjustment allow it to adapt to different material densities and moisture levels. The integrated sensor and body design improve portability and durability, which is ideal for on-site inspections. Its digital LCD display with backlight ensures clear visibility in low-light or indoor construction settings, helping users read results accurately without strain. With measurement ranges covering both low and high moisture percentages, the device supports detailed assessments during drying, storage, or quality control processes. Accuracy remains consistent within the main moisture range, making it dependable for repeat measurements. Lightweight construction and compact size make it easy to carry throughout the workday, while manual power-off gives users control over battery usage. Powered by a standard 9-volt battery, it is convenient to maintain without specialized accessories.
Number 3. JUANJUAN TK100W Moisture Meter. The JUANJUAN TK100W Moisture Meter is built for fast and efficient moisture detection in wood chips, wood powder, and related materials, making it particularly useful for industrial processing and quality inspection. Using the electrical resistance method, the meter converts moisture changes into electrical signals that are displayed clearly on a digital LCD screen. One of its strongest advantages is speed, delivering results in seconds and significantly reducing the time compared to traditional oven drawing methods. Temperature and humidity compensation technology ensures stable and reliable measurements, even in varying environmental conditions. The compact and lightweight design allows for easy on-site testing, while strong anti-interference performance improves consistency in busy work environments. Its low-power integrated circuit design helps conserve energy, making it suitable for extended use. The built-in alarm function and value hold feature further improve efficiency by alerting users when moisture exceeds preset limits and allowing easy data recording. Number 4. Detector MT69 Moisture Meter. The Detector MT69 Moisture Meter is a versatile 2-in-1 device designed for checking moisture levels in wood and damp building materials with ease. Featuring a digital LCD screen, it provides clear and straightforward readings suitable for DIY users as well as professionals. Its pinless testing capability helps prevent surface damage, making it ideal for finished timber, flooring, and furniture inspections. The compact handheld design allows for comfortable one-handed operation, while the included battery ensures the meter is ready to use right out of the box. Built with practical electrical DIY applications in mind, the MT69 is well suited for detecting hidden moisture that could lead to mold, warping, or structural issues. The simple interface minimizes the learning curve, allowing quick measurements without complex setup.
Whether used during renovations, home inspections, or routine maintenance, the MT69 offers dependable functionality in a lightweight package. Its balanced combination of convenience, portability, and non-destructive testing makes it a practical everyday moisture detection tool.
Number 5. JUANJUAN DM300R Moisture Meter. The JUANJUAN DM300R Moisture Meter delivers dependable digital moisture testing using advanced high-frequency principles, making it suitable for professional inspection and material evaluation. Its integrated sensor and main body design improve durability and simplify handling during fieldwork. The backlit digital LCD display ensures accurate and easy-to-read measurements, even in dim or enclosed environments. With dual measuring ranges covering both very low and high moisture levels, the DM300R supports detailed assessments across various applications. Accuracy remains stable within the main moisture range, making it a reliable tool for quality control and inspection tasks. The compact and lightweight construction enhances portability, allowing users to carry it comfortably throughout long work sessions. Manual power-off adds control over energy usage, while the standard 9-volt battery keeps maintenance simple. Designed for efficiency and clarity, the DM300R is well-suited for professionals who need consistent readings, portability, and straightforward operation in demanding testing environments. And that wraps up the top 5 best moisture meter for wood. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.